Hi, I'm Terry from Mirage Pools. Today I'm going to show you how to use a couple things you might have around the house to determine if your pool is leaking. One of the most common questions we get is my pool actually leaking? And it's very hard to tell during the season, especially when the pool's getting used a lot and there's splash out and there's evaporation happening. So we use a couple of simple tools that you might have laying around the house. First, you need to get a bucket. You'll also need some black electrical tape and a tape measure. The simple system of what we're going to do is something called a bucket test. To perform a bucket test, we're going to take a bucket, mark the outside and the inside with a piece of tape. We're going to fill it up with water and put a brick inside. We're going to place it on the stairs, and then using a pen, we're going to mark the water level on the outside and on the inside. After leaving the bucket for 24 hours, it'll determine whether or not the pool's losing more water than the bucket, which would mean that the shell or the lines of the pool is losing water. If they stay the same, it means that they're both losing water at the same rate, which is due to evaporation. The next test is also a simple one. We're going to use a piece of black electrical tape, and we're simply going to mark the water level on the inside of the pool. Now, with the system running for 24 hours, we're going to come back and measure how much water has been lost. Now we're back after 24 hours to see how much water has been lost inside the pool with the system running. And you can see here that the pool has lost just over 2 inches, which is a significant amount of water to be lost in 24 hours, which tells us that it's more than just standard evaporation. It's really important to take detailed notes and take exact measurements using a tape measure to better provide us with information on how much the pool is leaking. The next step will be to shut the pump off for 24 hours, remark the water level inside the pool, and compare to see if there's a difference in the amount of water lost with the system running versus when the system's off. The third step in the process is on the third day we would come back and plug off the system, plug off the skimmer, most of the time using a winter gizmo, and then plug off the returns and the stairs using your winter plugs. We're trying to isolate the total inside shell of the pool, remark the water level, come back after 24 hours, and compare that to the previous 2 tests. Once you've taken the detailed measurements and recorded your information, contact us through our website or in our retail store, and we'll help you take next steps to get your pool leak resolved. A lot of our customers don't want to perform these tests themselves, and that's absolutely fine. Mirage Pools can perform these tests for you, as well as doing advanced pressure testing and sonar testing of your pool. If a pool leak is found, we will also provide you a quote to do a complete repair of the job.